Good evening, sir. Sir Ferry. Today I'm going to tell you about the theory of spread of Islam, and I think I deserve the score 75 because from the some of the slides from my research about the theory of the spread of Islam, I took the copy from the Wikipedia. Some of it like perfectly the same for like 2 slides. So today I'm going to present my research about the theory of the spread of Islam, and enjoy, sir. So for the first, what is Islam? So Islam is a Abrahamic monotheistic religion. It is the second biggest religion in the world and has 1.8 billion followers. This religion, Islam, only believe in one God, which is Allah, and the messenger Muhammad. This religion teaches that God is unique, merciful, and all-powerful, and has led mankind through prophets, natural science, and revealed scriptures. The primary scriptures of this religion, Islam, is the Quran, and it's believed that it's the verbatim word of God. So on to the next slide. The origin of Islam. So where's Islam from? So the history of Islam involves of economically, political, and culture, and also social development of Islamic civilizations. This religion is believed that it started from Mecca and Medina, and it's from the country Saudi Arabia, from this flag. And this religion believed that it has started from the 7th century, which is 600 years after Christ, 600 years after Christianity was found. So Muslims didn't start by Muhammad. The next slide is, who is Prophet Muhammad? Muhammad is the founder of Islam, and also the leader which united Arabia into one Muslim polity. Before, Arabia has many Muslim polity, which is many and not united into one, until Muhammad united them into one. So he was regarded as the messenger of God, and believed that he is the last prophet sent by God in the branches of Islam. He is the prophet sent by God to teach and confirm the monotheistic religion preached previously by Adam, Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and prophets and other prophets. So into the next slide, how is the spread of Islam? So this slide, I copied it from the Wikipedia, like completely 100% I copied, so I put the link down there. So the spread is the Muslim conquest following Muhammad's death led to the creation of the caliphates, occupying a vast geographical area. Conversion to Islam was boosted by the missionary activities, particularly those of imams, intermingled with the local population to propagate the religious teachings. These early caliphates coupled the Muslim economics and trading and the Islamic Golden Age, and later expansion of Gunpowder empires resulted in Islam spread outwards from Mecca towards the Indian, Atlantic, and Pacific Oceans, and also the creation of the Muslim worlds. Trading played an important role in the spread of Islam in several parts of the world, notably by the Indian traders in Southeast Asia. So the next slide, it shows about Quran. So from this slide, I copied also from the Wikipedia like completely. So Quran is like the Bible of Islam people, which has a meaning of recitation in central religious texts of Islam. The Quran is regarded as the classical Arabian literature. It is organized, has 114 chapters, and it is shorter than the New Testament. So the Muslim believe that the Quran was orally revealed by God to the final prophet, which is Muhammad, through the archangel Gabriel, which is called Jibril in Latin. So Islamic prayers. So Islam has prayers, which is called Sholat, and the daily prayers are Fajar. The second is Zuhur. The next one is Asr, and then followed by Maghrib and Isya. The other Sholat includes like the Jum'ah and the Sunat. The events of Islam is like fasting. Fasting is held in the month of Ramadan, and it tests the self-control of the Islamic people and also how near he or she with God, also to atone for their sins. The other events for Islamic people is their pilgrimage to Mecca. The obligatory Islamic pilgrimage is called Haji. It has to be performed during the Islamic month of Dhul Hijjah in the city of Mecca in Saudi Arabia. Every able-bodied Muslim who can afford it must make the pilgrimage to Mecca once in his or her lifetime if they can afford it. Rituals of the Haji include spending a day and night in tents in the desert of the plain of Mina, and then a day in the desert of plain of Arafat, praying and worshipping God, following the footsteps of Abraham. Then also followed by spending a night out in the open, followed by sleeping on the desert sand in the desert plains of Musdalifah, then followed by the moving to Jamarat. This is a symbolically stone of the devil, recounting Abraham's actions. Then going to Mecca and walking 7 times around the Kaaba, which Muslims believe that it was built a place of worship by Abraham. Then after that, the Muslims must walk 7 times between the Mount Safa and Mount Marwah, recounting their steps of Abraham's wife, which her name is Hagar. While she was looking for water for her son Ismail in the desert before Mecca developed into a settlement. The another form of pilgrimage of Islam is called Umrah. Can be undertaken at any time of the year. For this slide, I also copied from Wikipedia for one paragraph. To the next slide, it tells us this picture about how they do their pilgrimage. They must pray in Mecca, in Saudi Arabia. So the conclusion is Islam is the second worship religion in the world, and they believe in only one God, which is Allah.